Tired of crypto feeling like you need a PhD to understand? Let's ditch the confusion and buy crypto easily using Revolut. First, open your Revolut app. Make sure you have enough funds in your account or add funds if needed. On the main screen, look for the crypto section. It's usually found within the dashboard or under the Wealth tab, depending on your Revolut version. Tap on it. Now, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Scroll through and find the one you want to buy. For this example, let's say you want to buy Bitcoin. Tap on Bitcoin. You'll be taken to the Bitcoin details page. Here, you'll see price charts and other information. Tap on the buy button. Enter the amount of money you want to spend on Bitcoin. You can type in a specific amount or use the preset options. Remember that crypto prices are volatile. Review the details of your purchase carefully. Make sure the cryptocurrency and the amount are correct. You'll see the exchange rate and any fees involved. If everything looks good, tap the confirm button. Revolut might ask you to verify the transaction with your passcode or biometric authentication. Congratulations, you've successfully bought Bitcoin with Revolut. You can now view your Bitcoin balance in your crypto wallet within the app. Remember to always do your research before investing in any cryptocurrency.